Friday the 13th, the game. Dead by Daylight. Killing Floor. Dropsy. Arizona Sunshine. Dying Light. The Long Dark. Don't Starve Together. Penumbra Black Plague. Metro Last Light Redux. Outlast 2. Call of Pripyat. Metro 2033. Clear Sky. Escape Bloody Mary. Darkwood. Left 4 Dead 2. Shadow of Chernobyl. SOMA. Killing Floor 2. Amnesia. The Dark Descent. The Evil Within. Alien Isolation. Resident Evil 4. The Evil Within 2. Dead Space. Resident Evil 7 Biohazard.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.